Are you ready to touch upon the cosmic elements of the sun, the stars, and the sand? Take hold of your Libyan desert glass gemstones and join us on this guided meditation to gain universal energy like never before. To prepare for the meditation, gather as many Libyan desert glass pieces as you can find. Pick a calm space and cleanse the energy with sage, incense, or candlelight. Place the Libyan desert glass around the space and have one or two to hold during the meditation. Have a glass of water and a set of Moki marble stones or your favorite grounding earth stones for after the meditation. To begin the meditation, relax your mind. Breathe deeply, let go of tension, and loosen your body. You are about to touch upon a trinity of cosmic elements: the sun, the stars, and the sand. With Libyan desert glass in your hands, the power of the universe becomes yours. You are going to begin by taking in the vital life elements of the sun. Libyan desert glass resembles the sun in its bright yellow colors and its astral origin. This solar energy is the first of 3 elements that will infuse you with healing light. Begin by closing your eyes and imagining yourself sitting in a beautiful, lush green garden, basking in the perfect amount of sunlight. It is glowing, warm and bright, not too hot, but just right. The sun gives you life force, nourishing your body, mind, and spirit. As the sun kisses your skin, it fills you with joy. The light penetrates your Libyan desert glass gemstone, and you feel the vibrations ringing through your hands and throughout your entire body. All of your stress, pain, anger, and sadness begin to evaporate. For where light exists, darkness must retreat. With each breath you take, you feel happier and happier, lighter and lighter, more and more relaxed. With each moment that passes, inhale and exhale deeply, taking in the healing energy of the sun. The singing bowl indicates your time to journey for however long you wish. You are now one with the sun. Your solar plexus chakra at the center of your stomach is glowing as bright as the yellow Libyan desert glass in your hand. The solar plexus is your emotional energy center. Bad vibes have been chased away and happy, warm feelings now take their place. You are one with the sun element, and anytime you need an emotional boost or physical motivation, you can return to this happy place by holding your Libyan desert glass to your solar plexus chakra and visualizing bright, warm joy. Next, you are going to harness the energy of the stars through your Libyan desert glass. This phenomenal yellow tektite has a meteoric past and has resulted from an ancient cosmic event. It holds the wisdom of the stars and can help you fulfill your astrological destiny. In your new, glowing and joyous yellow aura, you are going to float up out of the garden of your mind and into the clouds. You are going to visit the asteroid belt, located between Mars and Jupiter. Like a bubble of light, imagine your Libyan desert glass lifting you higher and higher away from the earth. Keep rising higher and higher until you are above the earth, peering down at the blue planet. From this angle, you can even see the moon. As you pass the moon, breathe in the lunar moonbeams and infuse your soul with its calming psychic powers. It opens your third eye chakra to visions and abilities beyond what you had on Earth. Continue traveling to our neighboring planet Mars. This red planet fills you with fire and strength. It encourages you to not just walk, but run passionately through life. You are infused with confidence and energy as you travel past the red planet. Finally, you arrive at the asteroid belt. Find the perfect asteroid boulder and take a rest. From this cosmic cushion, the universe is yours. On the other side, you see Big Jupiter, the planet of power. Take in Jupiter's mighty forces and open your crown chakra at the top of your head. You're going to take a few minutes to absorb the galactic frequencies that surround you from all angles. Listen to the messages of the stars and the ancient wisdom they want to share with you. The time of quiet contemplation and spiritual revelations begins now. You've taken in the messages of the stars, and your mind benefits from the star element that your Libyan desert glass brings. Any time that you wish to open your channel to cosmic wisdom, all you have to do is place this yellow tektite at your third eye or crown chakra and let the universe sing messages into your mind. Finally, you are ready to benefit from the sand element of Libyan desert glass. This tektite gained the nickname Great Sand Sea Glass because it was born in the Sahara Desert. You have already harnessed its sun and star powers, and now you can harness its grounding sand energy. What better way to connect with the roots of Libyan desert glass than to visit the Sahara Desert? Your great sand sea glass is about to take you to this stunning region that spans across North Africa. Hold on tight and take 3 deep breaths. Feel your astral body traveling back towards planet Earth. With each additional breath, you slowly float back to your home planet, making your way to the Sahara Desert. Feel yourself back in the Earth's atmosphere, looking down at the continents. You feel pulled and drawn towards Africa, the birthplace of Libyan desert glass. Descend until you reach the Sahara Desert and feel your feet touch the desert sand. Beautiful dunes of golden brown earth surround you. You are immersed in pure natural energy. Go ahead, take off your shoes, make contact with the sand. It is as soft as silk, untouched by man. You might even want to scoop it with your hands and let the fine grains slip between your fingers. Let the grains of sand caress your legs and your feet sink into the sand just a little bit more. Breathe in the grounding, rooting, the energy of earth forces. You are reminded that you are a human being, perfect as you are. Your everyday troubles are just a fabrication. Society has become too fast, too busy, and too materialistic. But you can reset your mind. Tap into your harmony and connect with your nature. Take a few minutes to rejuvenate in the Sahara sands. Now feel balanced, confident, natural, and strong. The immense energy of planet Earth is yours, thanks to Libyan desert glass. Anytime you need this moment of serenity, you can place your Libyan desert glass at your root chakra and return to true peace. In this meditation, you have touched upon the trinity of healing energy from the sun, the stars, and the sand. You feel better than ever, buzzing with good vibrations. You are already rooted and grounded thanks to the desert sand, so you will quickly make your way back to your current location, returning to the place on earth from which you began this meditation. Head home to your physical body now. Your astral body is now back aligned with your physical body, and you will soon be ready to emerge from this comfortable state of meditation. First, give thanks to the Libyan desert glass for helping you connect with the sun, star, sand trinity. You have tapped upon the healing life force of the sun, the spiritual wisdom of the stars, and the rejuvenating earth energy of the sand. These experiences are stored forever in your cellular memory and also in your great sand sea glass. You are ready to come out of the meditation as a stronger person. At the count of 1 through 5, you shall awaken. Beginning with 1, feel the sun energy of Libyan desert glass. 2, feel the star energy of Libyan desert glass. 3, feel the earth energy of Libyan desert glass. 4, feel that you are back in your place as your astral and physical bodies are reunited. And 5, open your eyes, feeling extraordinary and bright, awaken. After the meditation, you may feel like you're in an altered state of mind. Allow yourself to enjoy this natural high as you slowly reintegrate back to the physical world. Drink your glass of water and hold your Moki marble stones to completely realign with reality. If you enjoyed this Libyan desert glass guided meditation, join us at Satin Crystals for additional healing meditations, crystal horoscopes, positive affirmations, and a whole selection of Libyan desert glass, tektites, meteorites, and gemstones. While you're there, join the VIP club for metaphysical information throughout the year. Please do like and subscribe to our channel so we can continue bringing you excellent guided meditations. As always, thank you for your positive energy at Satin Crystals, and thank you for spreading your light into our universe.